Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable and manage battery saver on a Dell laptop. To do this, first we'll need to click on Start, navigate to the settings, enter System, go for Power and Battery. Here we can scroll down to the battery saver, click on it once, then you can turn on or off your battery saver. Also, we can manage it with turn the battery saver on automatically at a certain amount of percentage, or always or never. Then there's the option that allows you to lower screen brightness when using battery saver, and we can enable or disable it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.